Hi all. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing good. Today I'm coming to you with a different kind of a video. So I recently went for a short trip to Bangalore. Very short trip, just 2 days. So we went to pick up my aunt from Bangalore. She wanted to come and visit us, so we went there to pick her up. So there's not much because we didn't go to any place or anything, but we just were at auntie's house. So, but I thought I'll share with you some glimpses from our road travel, and we did see some interesting places on our way. So I thought I'll just share those images or the clips with you. Hope you all enjoy this different kind of a video from me today. And I'm also sorry that I couldn't post a video yesterday. I was busy with some personal things, so I couldn't post a video. So hopefully you will enjoy it today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is when we started the journey. We started quite early, around 4:45 a.m. So this is us going from our home to the main road. So yeah, it's the road that we have from our house to the road. So yeah, we are going there. It's quite dark because it's just 4:45 a.m. and it's winter morning, so you know how it is. It's very dark and there's some fog as well. But we did have a good start, and it was very refreshing to get up in the morning, have a bath, and start the journey. So we were loving every minute of it. We now have reached the main state highway, kind of a thing, and the road is very good, so we are sailing smooth. Now, this is a video from when it was a little more time later, but I somehow started recording it wrong, so I just took another clip to show you guys. So, this is us going through the state highway. I think around 6:45 something we reached the first checkpoint, the police checkpoint that we have at the border. So there are like more than one checkpoints, I guess. I'm not sure what's the distinction, but yeah, there are few checkpoints, and there was a long line because there was a checking going on the Karnataka side. And this is my husband, the one that's filming, not the person standing there. But yeah, he was trying to see how long or how far the line is going. So this is a clip from the forest, starting of the forest that we could see. We then reached the second checkpoint, kind of a thing, or the gate. Not the second, I think it's the first official checkpoint that we have in Bavli. So we reached there where we were asked to stop, and then other vehicles were passing. So once they cleared the final check post, we were going through. So this is the second check post where my husband went in to give our RT-PCR result and all that. Then we entered the reserved forest. So I love this place. It's beautiful, and it was early in the morning. It was so good, so a little bit of fog, and so it was so beautiful to see, and such fresh air. And it was so good to go through the forest at this time of the day. And here is a clip of a small water body that I took. So it was very beautiful, and I guess at times we also have seen animals coming in here and drinking water. So it was a beautiful place. Then we went a little more ahead, and then we saw some deer as well. So the clip is coming up soon. um, Here are the deers. I'm not sure how clear you can see because there was some fog. But yeah, they are there, and they look so cute and so beautiful. But they are so alert. Like the moment we stopped, I mean, we slowed down our vehicle a little bit, and they started looking at us to ensure that there is no threat. So they were very cute, and we saw quite a few of them here. Here is a more clearer picture that we took of the deer. I hope you all enjoy it. Also, please enjoy a few more clips from the reserved forest area. Here we saw an elephant. I think it's an elephant camp or something, and I'm not sure what the elephant is trying to do. But they were very cute and very sweet, and I love elephants, so it was so good to see them. And here come more deers. They were all out having their breakfast, and you can see the one looking at us particularly. I guess they are very alert in these matters. They always ensure there is no threat, and once they are sure, they just go back to what they were doing. So it was so nice to see so many deers there. We saw a small temple on the side of the road, and the Nandi Murti was so beautiful. I thought I'll just take a clip of that as well. Then we were very hungry, so we decided it's breakfast time, and we stopped by a hotel, and we both had puri masala and chutney, but we were so hungry that we forgot to share to film a clip, but enjoy a few pics of my husband here instead. Then here are some clips from us entering the Mysore Ring Road. Please enjoy. Once we crossed the Mysore Ring Road, we were a little thirsty and hungry, so we thought of having some sugarcane juice. We stopped by to have some. So here are some clips from that. Then we continued on our journey forward. So on the way, we saw some very beautiful hills. I wanted to film them as they were looking very beautiful, but the camera is not doing justice to it. It's not coming up as beautiful as it was looking for us, but I hope I'll just include the clips anyways. So here are the clips from our journey forward. Please enjoy. This is us reaching our aunt's place. I just filmed us entering or reaching the gate. I didn't film any further, but it was so good to see the apartment complex. We had to wait for somebody to come from the house and talk with the security so that we could enter. Then here is me and my niece. We were having a nice time with a cup of coffee, and we were watching a movie. And then there was a lot of eating, lot. We were eating a lot pani puri, and then we ate samosas. I don't have a pic of that, but here are the pani puris. And then we watched into our dinner, that was lasagna, and ended the eating trip with rasgullas, and then we went to bed. And because we had to start early the next day, so the we went to bed so that the return trip starts on a good note. Here is my aunt and I, and we are at a hotel waiting for our breakfast to come in. We started a little late the next day because we were all tired, and then yeah, we just went ahead with our journey. Here are more clips coming from the trip, from our trip forward. So we passed through a town called Srirangapatna. So this, and then I think we then passed Mysore next. But let's see. Yeah, it's Mysore, and then here are some clips from some beautiful places in Mysore. I don't know the name of each place, so I will not say that out loud, but you can see the places for yourself. So I've tried my best to capture as much as we could with the speed we were traveling. So hope you all enjoy it. Here are some more clips from the from what we saw, the kind of scenery that we saw while on the road. So enjoy a short clip of that. This again is the reserve forest, and we saw some cute little monkeys, so we slowed down to take a clip of them. Hope you like it. This is a tea estate that we cross on our way home. So I thought I'll just share a few glimpses of it with you guys. Then comes the last stage of our journey, and it consists of going through a mountain pass. Now, mountain pass is called a charam in Malayalam. So this mountain pass is called Kuttiyadi Charam, and we have to pass through the mountain pass. And the mountain pass is so beautiful. So here are a few clips for you, and you can enjoy the greenery. I try to shoot as much as I possibly can with the limited resources I have. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you all like the video. I have a very interesting video planned for maybe next Saturday or the next one to that. Let's meet next Saturday with a new topic. Until then, bye.